strictly fashion related. Big eye under big hair. That's what it's all about. Did anyone see this coming? Lagerfeld is launching his new Paris London collection, and Amy's got it all.
I think she's a very gifted person. And I like the hairdo. I took it as inspiration because, in fact, it was Brigitte Bardot's hairdo from the late 50s and 60s. But for me, it's a double slender. It's Brigitte Bardot and Amy Winehouse. This is the first bit of good news for Amy after being slammed at the Grammy nominations.
Can somebody wake her up this afternoon around 6 and tell her? Or drunk ass.
Now they're intensity and hard work, and it's paying off big time as the finalists are revealed on The Biggest Loser.
Well, we have, 2 weeks left. Have you won a challenge? Have you won one? Have you? No. Not only did they not win the challenge, Nicole was the first one out, Neil was the second one out.
The Biggest Loser tonight on E!
What'd you get?
Jalapeno cheddar double melt from Wendy's. It's got jalapenos, bacon, and 2 kinds of cheese meshed between 2 hot, juicy burgers.
Oh, yeah. This Air Supply burger is pretty outstanding.
Making love out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all.
Dressing up a boring burger is just wrong.
There you have it. It's a Folly style hook. US can by Swing Fire. Now the reason for using this type of extreme hook is because the way the keys cut, once I get false set with the regular pick, it would want to contain the pick and would not give me my pick back. So I went and resorted to this, which worked fantastically. Anyways, thanks, dude. Peace. And, don't break the law. Later.